Hello, this is Sergey from ProperSoft, and in this video I will show you how to select a file to convert or multiple files to convert. And for this example we will use the Transactions app, but for other apps the process is similar and the selection is similar as well. So let's start the app. And we can close the welcome screen. So now when you start the app, it automatically opens the file selection form. So all you have to do is just select. So you can change the folder, and by default the folder is downloads folder, where you usually download your transaction files. And then you would simply click a file. You can change folder, navigate to different folder if you have files in different folder. And then if you like to select multiple files, then you would have to click one file, then hold the Ctrl button, and the process on macOS is similar. You just have to hold the Command button. So you hold the Ctrl Command button, then click the second file, and so on. If you would like to select several files, you can do that as well by drawing the rectangle with your mouse. So you click the left button and hold the left button and then drag the mouse, and you see the file starting to select. And this is a standard way of selecting files, and this is standard file selection form on Windows. So there is nothing specific about nothing special using in this software compared to other software like Excel, selecting Excel files in Excel or Microsoft Word or things like that. So in most cases you would need to convert one file, so select that file and click open, and the file is open now. Thank you for watching.